Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to copy Instagram profile link or copy Instagram profile link easy guide. So if you want to go ahead and share your profile to your friends or family or to anyone, then you're onto the right guide. So the first thing that you need to do in here is to log in first onto your Instagram account. So as you can see, I'm currently onto my profile. Just click onto the profile icon here onto the bottom part and click onto edit profile. Here on edit profile, you should be able to find a username. So what you need to do, you'll just have to click to that and you'll need to copy your username. Once you have copied that one out, you'll just need to go ahead and close the Instagram app and go to your local browser. So you could choose any browser that you want. So this works onto both Android and iPhone devices. Here onto the search bar of your browser, you'll just have to type in here instagram.com then slash type in or paste in your username. Click on to go, and then this should go ahead and provide you the link already onto your Instagram profile. So as you can see, it directly shows the Instagram account or my Instagram account that we've copied out earlier, the username. So once you click onto this, and as you can see, we could go ahead and copy the full URL or link of my Instagram account. And that is how easy you could copy Instagram profile link onto your device. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.